Lynch Chevrolet Cadillac of Auburn is dedicated to providing you the best experience, not just when you buy your car, but as long as you own it. We pride ourselves on our customer service and satisfaction. Having your service, maintenance, and repairs completed at Lynch Chevrolet Cadillac of Auburn means you get the best service for your vehicle. We use genuine GM accessories and parts, and our certified technicians are always up to date with regular training for every part of your vehicle and the most advanced technology and diagnostic equipment. When you bring your vehicle to Lynch Chevrolet Cadillac of Auburn for service and repair needs, you can be confident that you'll get the best service and experience for your vehicle. From regularly scheduled maintenance to major repairs, and for every single mile of your lease or ownership, we are proud to serve you. When you arrive at the dealership, just drive your car into the service bay located just to the left of our building. There, you'll be greeted by one of our friendly, knowledgeable service advisors. They'll walk you through your scheduled or required service, give you an estimated wait time for your vehicle, and answer any questions you have. And we're happy to give you a complimentary car wash and courtesy ride or vehicle while you wait. Your service appointment is just a click away. You can schedule it right here on our website at lynchchevy.com, where you can also find the latest specials and coupons before your visit. Or give us a call at 334-246-0401. We look forward to serving you at Lynch Chevrolet Cadillac of Auburn.